Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device. Root is required because Android blocks system font changes for security. Once done, make a full backup and verify your bootloader is unlocked so you can flash safely. Make sure USB debugging and ADB are enabled on the phone, and install Magisk to manage root, because Magisk modules will let you replace fonts without breaking safety net. Now connect to your PC and confirm you can use a DB and fastboot. This is the bridge for the next steps. Next, you replace the system fonts directly. Boot into custom recovery or use a DB shell with root to remount /system or /vendor as read-write. This is necessary because these partitions are read-only by default. Once mounted, find the exact font file names used by your ROM, case-sensitive, and prepare replacement, TTF or OT files that match those names. Push them via a DB or a Magisk module, and set file permissions to RWRR 644. After replacing, rebuild the font cache. To finish, reboot the device into the system and inspect the UI and apps for consistent font rendering. If everything displays correctly, keep an additional backup of the working font set. If you encounter a boot loop, missing characters, or unreadable text, immediately boot recovery and restore your full backup or the original font files. Make sure permissions and exact file names were preserved. Mismatches often cause errors. If problems persist, switch to a vetted Magisk font module or a different font with full glyph coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.